Yeah. I spent the last 2 months of my life feeling sorry about myself, but on the real, you know you got that life if you got friends in good health. Doctors say I got a heart condition, now fuck that, I got too much heart. When I heard that shit, I swear I saw my whole world fall apart. I lost my mind around the time me and my ex split. Truth is I was selfish, and I hate the way it panned out, but I deserved it. Gotta lose yourself to find yourself, get better, not bitter. Sure I get pussy, but you know that one good one is worth the whole litter. Yeah, not afraid to admit that I've been scared as shit, but will I ever blow up or just fade right into the darkness? Feeling hopeless as fuck, praying it's never the latter. But you know certainty's never with the profession of a rapper. They can love you now, shit they'll probably hate you tomorrow. That's why you'll never find another rapper that's working harder. Been in New York for 2 months and I barely sleep in my bed. They say that sleep's a cousin of death, so fuck it, I'ma sleep when I'm dead. I said that my mom just had a stroke. I was on the road, life is precious, that shit ain't no joke. But people come, they go, friends they turn to foes, good girls turn to hoes. All because my bank account just got a couple extra O's. Yeah, I heard that hoodie diss wasn't even that pissed, cause you know jealousy and envy just a trait for a bitch. I never care about another rapper, I'm focused on me. And all that dissing shit, it really just exploits the insecurity. So fuck all that respect, grew up on hand-me-down clothes. What's the worth of an opinion when you spend your life broke? Keep saying how I'm gonna blow, most people say that I won't. Shit, if you hate me, that's gravy, I know a lot more that don't. My mama told me don't ever settle, the world could be yours. So I spent the last 6 months of my life traveling the country on tour. That album dropping real soon and I swear it's nothing but hits. I'm about to come out fucking swinging like Tyson in '86. I said depends where I lay my head tonight. No matter where I go, I'm always thinking about them country roads. LA's cool, New York's great, but I wouldn't wanna be anywhere but my home state. And I've been going everywhere, but everywhere doesn't compare to the thrills. Beverly don't wanna talk about hills. Born and raised in the 304, where everybody tries to drink till they can't no more. And no matter where I be at on the globe, I'm singing this and everybody knows. And no matter what direction I'm headed, I know where I've been. I got my heart at home, if I leave I'll come back again. Been around the map, but wherever I'm at, the tour bus got a West Virginia welcome mat. So that's that, ain't nothing gonna replace that pride. Just a West Virginia kid, but we gone worldwide. If you were from there, you would know how I feel. Think I had my first beer inside a Mountaineer field. I don't know where I'll be tomorrow. That depends where I lay my head tonight. No matter where I go, I'm always thinking about them country roads. Texas cool, DC's great, but I never wanna be anywhere but my home state. And lately I've been on the road, but since I've been on the road, I feel like everywhere I go I lose another little piece of my soul. Growing up I never thought I'd lead this life, but now I'm running around the nation like I'm Pat White. And no matter where I be going tonight, I'ma always rep them gold and blue stripes. Yeah, the one thing I was taught from the start is I don't need a big city cause I got big heart. Never knew what it meant till it happened to me, but it helped develop me into the person you see. Yeah, I owe a lot to the place I was raised. I just pray that I find my way back back one day. If you were from there, you would know how I feel. I'd do anything to see them wide and wonderful hills. I don't know where